Hi friends, in this video we will learn the technical configuration of Satatya Samas. Matrix Satatya Samas is a video surveillance management solution specifically designed to meet diverse and complex needs of large enterprises having multiple sites connected to a central location or a large single site. It eliminates the need of any DVR, NVR or HVR and provides smooth live view and playback of cameras over a significant bandwidth. Satatya Samas installs 5 services and 4 clients. 5 services include Management Server, License Server, Recording Server, Notification Server and IVA Server. 4 clients include Admin Client, Smart Client, Multi-Display Client and Media Player. Samas architecture forms in the manner as shown. On the topmost level of the hierarchy come the Management Server and License Server. The Management Server, License Server and database must be in the same network. On the second level, recording servers are connected. Multiple recording servers can be connected with one management server. Satatya devices like NVR, HVR and IP cameras can be connected to a recording server. Notification server and IVA server can be installed on any PC which is connected to the internet. Management server application is for administration of all connected entities such as recording servers, devices, cameras and other peripherals. It is installed on controlling server generally situated at the headquarters along with other enterprise servers. License server application controls the licensing of software modules. This service is installed to verify the licensing from USB hardware module connected to the system. Recording servers are used to connect cameras, NVRs and HVRs and collect video streams for recording and streaming for live view. Usually, one or multiple recording servers are installed at every site depending on the number of cameras used at that site. Notification server is used to send email and SMS notifications for defined events. IVA server application is installed on servers which will be processing the data for video analytics. Usually, this will be installed on a specific dedicated server so as not to put the entire load on the same server where recording services are also running. Let's start with the configuration by considering a scenario where all the services are running on the same server PC. We will configure all the services one by one. Management server configuration, license server configuration, recording server configuration, IVA server configuration, and notification server configuration. Let's configure a PC as management server. Right-click the management server icon and go to configuration settings. Leave all the ports as they are unless otherwise required. Enter the IP address of license server. In our case, license server is installed in the same PC as management server. It is highly recommended to assign a static IP address to a PC in which management and license services are running. This completes the management server configuration. Let's see license server configuration. Configure license server with the license server port same as entered in Samas Management Server Manager. This completes license server configuration. Let's configure recording server. Enter the management server's IP address with which the recording server will be communicating. In our case, recording server is installed in the same PC as management server. Enter the port number as mentioned in the management server manager. If auto detect IP address flag is enabled, the recording server will automatically pick an appropriate IP address assigned to the PC. You can select a static IP address for the recording server by unchecking the auto detect IP address flag. This completes the recording server configuration. Let's configure IVA server. Enter the management server's IP address with which the IVA server will be communicating. In our case, IVA server is installed in the same PC as management server. Enter the port number as mentioned in the management server manager. Start the management. Recording. License. And IVA services. Login into Satatya Samas admin client by setting up a new password. Go to Servers and Devices module and activate the recording server. Go to Intelligent Video Analytics module and activate the IVA server. This completes IVA server configuration. Let's configure notification server. Enter the username and password to configure the notification server. To use email and SMS alerts, fill the fields as required. Start the notification service. This completes the notification server configuration. Satatya Samas is ready for use now. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries, please contact Matrix Technical Support Team.